The reason why a Jamaican man will never be happy in a relationship is because a Jamaican man cares too much about what the outside world. Jamaican men care too much about what society have to say about them in a relationship. That is the reason why a Jamaican man will never, and I mean ever, be happy in a relationship. A Jamaican man will always be searching for something when it's probably right in front of him already. It's like a Jamaican man, sometimes when you think about it, it's like a Jamaican man is cursed. I don't know who cast this spell upon a Jamaican man, but a Jamaican man is cursed. A Jamaican man will have the nicest, the prettiest, the sweetest, the sexiest girlfriend. And he doesn't treat that woman right because of what society or the Jamaican culture or the Jamaican illiterates will have to say about how he treats that woman. A Jamaican man will not please his woman to the fullness potential that he possibly can, only because he's so scared about what his friends gonna say if they find out he does something that he did for her, type of thing. As a Jamaican man, you have to stop listening to what people have to say, because if you don't stop listening to what people have to say, you will never be happy in your relationship. Happiness will never come your way. Jamaican men care too much about what friends and company and brethren and what the culture and what the artists sing about in the songs. You shouldn't do that when you're in a relationship and you're happy. For example, Wayne Marshall and Tommy Chin and them type of people. Do you think that Wayne Marshall have such a beautiful relationship with his wife, by the way, might I add? But do you think that man cares about what anybody has to say about what he does in the bedroom with his beautiful wife? Do you think that man cares about what anybody has to say about him? No. That man has blocked out everything out of his mind, what people can say about him. You want to know something? Him and his wife have trust. If you have trust in your relationship, who cares about what you're doing? Enjoy yourself in our relationship. Don't let society make you not live that happy life. A Jamaican man will not let go in a relationship even when he has a woman where he can trust and love. Most Jamaican men are illiterate, and just the plain truth. Most Jamaican men are illiterate to the fullest degree because of the fact that if they as much as kiss a girl on their leg, it's a problem. If a Jamaican man kiss a girl on the leg, and a Jamaican man find out about that, the first thing he say about fire. The first thing he have to say about that, a fire. It's like you can't get away. You have to treat a woman the way how me see it. It's like you have to treat a woman the bottom of the pile. For you look like a somebody who is smart in a relationship, when it shouldn't be that way. Why should you have to treat a beautiful woman like she's garbage? Why should you have to treat that woman like she's a pile of trash in order for you to feel as if you are the big man? To feel like you're in charge. If you're lovey-dovey and clingy on that woman, you look like a girl clown. If you open the door for your woman, you look like a girl clown. If you as much as kiss the woman all over her body, you hear that, you nyam pum pum. It's like you can't get away with anything at all. For me personally, I don't follow the Jamaican culture. I'm a Jamaican and I don't follow that culture. When it comes to me and my relationship, I try to have fun to the fullest degree. Because if you listen to your culture and what everything that everyone has to say, you will not have any fun. You will be closed off at all times. You will be scared. You will be terrified to do a lot of things. And it shouldn't have to be like that. You should be able to have fun with your partner. You should be able to just enjoy life with your partner. Once both of you have that trust, there is nothing to worry about, personally speaking. But most Jamaican men, they are very illiterate and dumb, and it's the plain truth. Shouldn't have to listen to others about what you do and what you not do for your woman. Enjoy your life for once. Stop worrying about the outside world. Ladies, comment and let me know if you have one of them Jamaican man that were fool, or if you have a real Jamaican man in your life where don't care and treat you right and will do anything at all that you want. Comment and let me know. Like and share. Give me a follow. This is Raw Talk with Official T-Dog.